All right, folks, first up, let's whip up a test FastAPI route to shoot out an email. But before we dive in, make sure to get both FastAPI and Unicorn modules installed. Let's get cracking. Install Python packages. Pip install FastAPI Unicorn standard. Here's your FastAPI boilerplate code. Fire up that server with the Unicorn main app reload command. Once it's running, head over to the send email URL. Boom! You'll see that send mail message pop up. Easy peasy. Let's test that send email function with smtplib. Now import smtplib, mimetext, and mime multipart modules. All right, guys, next step. Set up a sandbox SMTP email account. Keep it simple, just follow along and get that account ready to roll. Check it out, folks. Mailmug.net hooks you up with a free SMTP account. It's perfect for testing out your mail function, whether you're on your local machine or your production server. No need to worry about sending stuff to real emails. This sandbox has got you covered. Head over to your inboxes, select the inbox you want, then go to settings and grab those SMTP credentials. Simply copy and paste the SMTP server credentials from your Mailmug account. Use port 2525 and don't forget to copy and paste the username and password too. Just copy and paste the credentials from Mailmug. Sender email is example@mail.com. Receiver email is example2@mail.com. Instantiate the message variable. Then we're setting the sender's email, the recipient's email, and the subject line. Check it out, guys. This is a basic HTML email template. Set the MIME text type as HTML, then attach this part to the message. We're creating an SMTP server connection using the provided SMTP server and port. Then we set the debug level to 1 for debugging output. Next, we define the authentication method. After that, we log in using the provided login credentials. Finally, we send the email using the send mail function with the sender's email, receiver's email, and the message converted to a string. And there you have it. Lastly, head on over to your browser and navigate to the send email URL. Now check out your Mailmug dashboard. You'll see that email sent. From there, you can dive into the details, inspecting the HTML source code and all the header details. Thank you.